Hello everyone, this is Ezra David, your music teacher, and we are going to learn one song. The song name is The Wise Man Built His House. The song is very sweet and very simple, and I'm also going to give you the lyrics of the song so that you won't find it difficult to learn. Okay, so the song goes like this. The wise man built his house upon the rock. The wise man built his house upon the rock. The wise man built his house upon the rock, and the rains came tumbling down. The rain came down and the floods came up. The rain came down and the floods came up. The rain came down and the floods came up, and the wise man's house stood firm. Okay, so this was the first part of the song. All right, the song is very simple. Now the second part, and the second part goes like this. Instead of using the wise man, we will use the foolish man. Okay, the wise is the one who has the knowledge, and the foolish is the one who does not have the wisdom. All right. The second part goes like this. The foolish man built his house upon the sand. The foolish man built his house upon the sand. The foolish man built his house upon the sand, and the rains came tumbling down. The rain came down and the flood came up. The rains came down and the floods came up. The rains came down and the floods came up, and the foolish man's house went black. So this was the song, and I hope you got it well. And while listening to this song, also look at the lyrics which we are going to give to you, so you'll find it very easy to learn this song. So the next time when we are meeting, I want to hear this song from you. So you better learn the song at home and make use of the time well. That's it from my side. Thank you.